हाय गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप सब मज़े में हैं। एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान के सागर ऑफिशियल में। तो गाइस, आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेके आया हूं। आप सभी जानते हैं कि जेकेसीसी की फाइनेंस अकाउंटेंसी की जो एमसीक्यूज की सीरीज चलाई है, तो आज इकोनॉमिक्स का ही एक और टॉपिक लेके आया हूँ। तो आज का जो टॉपिक है गाइस, वो है इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट। इसके ऊपर आपके लिए मैं मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट 18 एमसीक्यूज लेके आया हूं, जो पिछले पेपर में भी आए थे। तो आप सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि वीडियो को ज़रूर पुनः एंड तक देखें। उससे पहले मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जो भी भाई चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को पहले यहाँ पे कर दो सब्सक्राइब, साथ में बेल आइकन को प्रेस करने के बाद ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन करना बिल्कुल ना भूलना। तो गाइस, चलो चलते हैं एमसीक्यूज की तरफ। गाइस, द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the concept of economic growth is more relevant for. The right answer is part A, developed countries. Next one is economic growth includes. The right answer is part A, quantitative indicators. Next one is which of the following indicators is included in measuring economic growth? The right answer is part C, rate of growth of national income. Next one is as a concept, economic development is more relevant for. The right answer is part A, underdeveloped countries. Next one is Schumpeter for economic development give importance to. The right answer is part D, innovators. Next one is economic development with unlimited supply of labor is a model of development inculcated by. The right answer is part C, W.A. Lewis. Next one is the classical model of economic development considers. The right answer is part C, both A and B. A is profit or incentive or investment. Part B is tendency of profit to decline with the large capital accumulation. Next one is Madrel's built his theory of economic development around the idea of. The right answer is part C, both A and B. A is regional inequalities on the international plan, and then B part is regional inequalities on the national plan. It is international and it is national. Next one is economic development is characterized by. The right answer is part C, both A and B. What is A? The A is structural change in the economy and changing in the occupational structure. Next one is which of the following explains the term economic development? The right answer is part D, all of the above. Improvement in the technology involved, improvement in productions, and then improvement in distribution system. That is, the right answer is part D. All of the above. Next one is an underdeveloped economy is characterized by. The right answer is part C. State of deprivations of large proportional of population. Then next one is scarcity of capital, technological backwardness and unemployment are generally found in. The right answer is part B. Underdeveloped countries. Then next one is which of the following denotes an underdeveloped economy? The right answer is part D. All of the above. First is high level of inequalities, low level of capital productivity, and then the relatively closely economy. And then the right answer is the all of the above, all these three points. And the next one is capital formation in underdeveloped country is a major bottleneck. The reason can be. The right answer is part D. D is all of the above. The first is small size of market with no initiative or for investment. Then low level of income and demonstrations effect. Then the right answer is part D. All of the above. Next one is consider the following statement and identify the right ones. The right answer is part B. Two only. Two, the answer is it reflects the productivity of capital in the economy. Then the next one is consider the following statement and identify the right ones. The right answer is part C. COR will be high in capital intensive sectors. Then the next one is which of the following about the strategy of balanced growth in right? The right answer is part A. Stimulus investment in all sectors. Then the last question is which of the following about the strategy is unbalanced growth in the right? The right answer is part A. Deliberate imbalance of favor of some sectors. तो गाइज उम्मीद करता हूँ कि वीडियो पसंद आ गई। तो ऐसी ही वीडियोस पाने के लिए इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, क्योंकि इस चैनल पे मैं आपके लिए MCQs लेके आता हूँ और साथ में ही जॉब जो भी JNK के अंदर या कहीं भी कोई भी जॉब रिलेटेड कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन हो तो वो भी मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेके आता हूँ। तो वीडियो को ज़रूर सबके साथ शेयर करें। अगर चैनल पर नए हैं चैनल को अभी का अभी सब्सक्राइब करते हैं।